Yeah. Okay, David, thank you so much. To Saifa, to Sayan, Pablo. Okay, okay. I know you can see my screen, my desktop. I am very sure about that. And okay. Uh, we start in a few minutes. Okay, we are just waiting the more people, and we can talk a little about the event, about Turing. Okay, okay. Where are you from? Pakistan, Ali. Okay. Obua, Uganda. Alessio, Rome, Italy. Rafael, Brazil. David, David, Brazil. I am joining in from Islamabad, Pakistan. Huzaifa. Sayan, India. Owais, Pakistan. I'm German. Chile, I'm living in Spain. Ok. Entonces hablas español bien, espero. Kengani, ok. Dakshash, Delhi, Camerún, Rwanda, Ecuador, Jaime. Okay. It's a good thing to know to see where are you from. I always saying that when I am a speaker in a conference, online conference actually. It's for me it's still very incredible how we can connect with people from uh, another part of the world, another city, another language, another country. Very very different people, but not too different. I believe it's amazing that Juan from Bolivia, Isa from Nigeria. Okay, let's see, and let me put my camera. I will try to put that. I am from Mexico. In this moment, I am from Cancun. I probably maybe is the most famous city in Mexico after Mexico City, the capital. Uh, but we have a very different hours between, for example, Nigeria and Mexico, Cancun. Okay, I will put my camera. I will see. Okay, you can see me now. That's a good thing. Okay. Okay. Now, hi everyone. Let me. Okay. Okay. Remember, in this moment, we are just chatting. Okay. We don't start. You know. Mohammed in Qatar. Okay. Probably you will see the next football cup. I believe. No, Mohammed. Do you have tickets? Uh, Lionel, Argentina. Ahmed, Egypt. Jiba, I suppose. That's... Remember, I always say sorry before to start because I actually very good with with the names in Spanish. Okay, I am very bad to say some names. So obviously, if you are from another part, it's very hard for me. So I will say sorry 5 times before to start, because, for example, Joao is, I hope say I am saying correctly, Joao Gabriel. Okay, but I try to do my best. Okay, so sorry for everyone, because probably it's very common. I will say, uh, my pronunciation about the names is very bad. Joao say I am right. Okay, that's a good idea. Probably because I see I see football, and maybe I see a few players with that name. But that's the reason. Sometimes I am very bad. Uh, this is Kehinde Adewood, Nigeria. Okay, I suppose I would like to have seen the Arabic countries. Yeah, me too. Actually, one day I received a proposal from Qatar, like developer, mobile developer, Kotlin developer, but and was a very good chance, but it was in a hard moment for me, and I can't move to that. And actually, it's not my I am not from relocations. Actually, I have uh, 15 years working like remote developer, so it's very hard if you want to show how to swim a chicken. So in my case, I always be like remote developer. So if I will move, is a very uncommon thing for me. So obviously I don't move to Qatar. Don't worry, I will always mispronounce Brazilian phrases. Yeah, Mohamed. But I always say that because sometimes the people, I don't know, but we have a few people, maybe they feel uncomfortable, or maybe they feel bad if I am saying the in a bad way the name. Okay, but that's why I always say sorry first in any event. Okay, in all of my events actually. Cornelius Musa. Okay, Campinas, Brazil, Hugo. Okay, Kehin the Nigerian, Samuel from Nigeria. Okay, we start. Okay, maybe. Maybe we can wait 1 2 minutes more. It's a good idea to talk with you. Everyone knows who is called from you. No one. Okay, yeah. It's a regular thing. I have another question for you. Uh, who is the first time in a jumpstart? Who is him or her first time in here in a jumpstart? It's a good idea to know that, because sometimes I need to explain a few things. David, Lionel, Pablo, okay, first time. Mikel, okay. Science say Maradona, yeah, Maradona. Rafael, first time. First Alessio, first time. Samuel, first time. Ali, Mikel. Okay. That's a good thing. Okay, to know. This is my first time. Pranam. Okay, okay. That's a good thing. Joao, my second time in first time Brazilian event. I could finish the live test. Okay, good thing to know. Brian. Okay, my first time Jaime. Okay. It's a good. I need that kind of data, because with that things in my mind, maybe I can use some referrals, ideas, or I can say something important for you. Okay, that's why Powell, fourth time. Okay, nice to see you again. Then Powell, I don't know, maybe it is my second time in a job start in English. In Spanish, I was host 3 times, so maybe I have a few experience about that. Muhammad, first time. That will be contents of this meeting. What will be the contents? I will show you in a few seconds. I am just waiting for more people, okay? Because we have 250, yeah, 50, 45, 40, 46 maybe, RSVP. So I am waiting for that. So just, and I want to meet all of you. What obviously it's hard to talk with 46 people in this moment, of 50 people, but I try to do, because I believe it's an important thing to know sometimes each year. Okay, Globis, my first time. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are on time. We are ready. I believe I believe it's a good day to get a job. Okay, I hope my team, not just me. Remember, I am not alone. Obviously, I am the face in this moment, but we have a team. You will see Husaifa in the chat, for example. You will see Sophie. Okay, Sofia, Spanish, and we have Miriam too. I remember. Okay, Bruna actually too. Okay, we have a few people, not just me. Okay, that's a very important thing, because it's not just my effort. Okay, we have a team. We are working together. If everything is fine, is a team. Teamwork. Is something is wrong, is my fault. Okay, so I am okay with that. So let's see. Let's get started. Thank you very much for your patience. Okay, remember, we are taking these minutes just for way more people. We want uh, to try we want to try to start with the more with the best amount here with the people, but obviously we can wait more. Okay, so thank you very much for your patience, and welcome to the Jumpstart. Okay, Jumpstart is a very I like this event. I like this initiative. I like the dynamic. Okay, so I hope it's the same for you. I hope after this event you say, okay, I was in a very good event from Turing, and probably if you want to share that in your social networks, for example Twitter, we are very happy if we see receive any comments for you, and thank you very much. Okay, and we are going to start. Okay, this is the agenda for today. I believe it's an important thing, because like Lionel was asking about that. Okay, this is the agenda. You can take the specific topic issues. Okay, and we are going to start right now. Okay, don't worry about. I am very good with the time. I don't make you use your time. Okay, remember, the most important thing here is, at the end we will finish with a good experience. Okay, that's my goal. Obviously, if I you to get a job, we are very happy too. But in the worst case, you have to pass a good time. Okay, the most important thing is, okay, you are here in an event. Okay, I don't say I will give you a car, okay, or $1 million, but you will have a good time. Okay, I am very sure about that. That's why we are trying hard each event. Okay, we are doing to try do a best event. Okay, so the agenda is, you are welcome. Like this moment, we are going to talk about the vetting process. After that, MCQs. If you don't know what is MCQ, don't worry, because we are going to explain. Okay, you just wait for that. We will explain every concept, and if you don't understand a word here in this agenda or concepts, don't worry. We will explain that. Okay. The continue is how to ace your coding challenge. Okay. Later, coding challenge competition, and boost your matching chances and QA sessions, and the end. Okay, so thank you very much for your 3 hours. I hope you will stay these 3 hours. That's a very important thing for us, and we start. Okay. We have a mission here at Turing. Our mission is to unleash the world on take human potentials. We believe we are trying to help people. Okay, we really believe in Turing. We are all our effort each day is for help people in the world. Okay, and probably in a very uh, we are very happy to do that every day. Okay, and we are trying to do our best. Okay, for example, we believe I'm from Latam, okay, Mexico, like I said before, but we believe in Latam. We are trying to get more chances, okay. The same for Asia, the same for Africa. So we have people from all the world. I am working in this moment with, you see, Jose, Pakistan, Sofia, Argentina, okay, Bruna, Brazil, and me, Mexico. So we believe in the same mission, okay, and we are working very hard for that. So it's not just words, okay? It's a fact because we are working from different parts of the world, and we are trying to do our best, obviously, for get these chances for each country, each people, our developers. Obviously, they want to work for companies from Silicon Valley, and they want to receive obviously dollars, obviously. World challenge, okay, so if you want to do that, okay, you are in the right place. Some people they believe, and I don't blame you, okay, if you believe that, but some people they always believe when you are an employer, you always try to sell a company, and in my case, I am really to say no, okay, but because for example, you some people believe that I am saying Turing is for all the people in the world, and I am not saying that, okay. I believe I like to be very clear for that. And for example, I can give you actually I can give you an example for that. If you are a developer and you want a relocation, Turing is not for you, okay. That's maybe the main reason. You can see if Turing is for you, okay, because in Turing we don't work with the relocations, okay. So if you want a relocation to move from another country, Turing is not for you, okay. But probably if you get a job in Turing, you can be a nomad, a digital nomad, okay. You can move. Maybe you like to stay a few days in France, and maybe you want to move later for to Argentina, and maybe later to Cameroon. It's okay. You can do it because we work like remote developers, okay. So maybe it's a different thing, but I believe I like to be very honest with that kind of ideas, okay? Because Turing if you want relocation, obviously in Turing you can find that, okay? But if you want to work like remote developer, you are in that place. This is the correct place for you, okay. So after that honestly thing, okay, remember in this moment we don't believe now we have companies like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Dropbox. They are waiting for developers, okay, remote engineers, okay. That's a real weird thing because maybe a couple years, 5 years, and maybe in the worst case 10 years or 15 years, we don't believe that we don't believe we can work remote like engineers, okay. Because the most common thing was, okay, you need to work like developer, but you need to stay in a specific geographic area, okay. So that's a good thing to know now because we have this chance. If you see this map, each part in color blue is available to work with Turing, okay. We have a few issues, for example, in Latam with Cuba or Venezuela, okay. But if it's not your nationality, okay. If you are from Venezuela, for example, I have in my team uh, one people from Venezuela, okay. So and he's working with me, okay. But he's living now in Colombia, but he's from Venezuela, and actually I meet a few couple weeks, okay. Cuban for Cuban an engineer, and he's now in Mexico, and now he's working very well, okay. He don't have any problem, so uh, it's okay, okay. He doesn't have an issue or something else. He can do job in any state. So we have there's a few things, okay. After that, obviously, in the process, maybe we need to know that information. Which country are you now? And that's all, okay. But if you are from Venezuela, you can work here in Turin. If you are from Cuba, you can work, okay. The problem is not your nationality. The problem is between the countries with United States, okay. United States and each countries. But we can change that, okay. We know now with this open thing about we can work from any part of the world. We know it's a very hard to 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 receive the chances to try about the process, okay, and obviously make you notes about that, okay. So we are here to help you, okay. We will talk about a few things in the next things, but we have to we can in this moment we have two choices, okay, to talk about the how you can get a job, like freelance, for example, and in a company, okay. And Turing create a new way to get a job, okay, with five main things, okay. The global opportunities, we believe in the long-term jobs, okay. We have continue matching, or rematch, we say here in Turin. Rematch is when we have a new opportunity in a new project, okay. We share with you the new project and or new company, okay. Community is like this in this moment, like an event, like a mentorship, okay, like uh, a meeting, maybe just a meeting, okay. And we are working in Turing with two elements, okay. We use intelligent talent cloud. You see we have two technologies here: the intelligent, okay, artificial AI, okay, and we have the cloud, okay. So we believe into technologies to work with that. What is Turing offer for you? Obviously, you will have the payments in time, and like you say, if you want to receive $1 and you put $1, you will receive $1. If you put 1 million, you will receive 1 million. Okay. Remember, when you start entering in the platform, you can say how much do you want to receive. Okay, your salary. It's an important thing because we pay in dollars actually, and the most important thing is you put what you really feel is a very good number for you, okay. Because sometimes the people they have a problems to decide that, okay. Just keep calm, sit and think about it, okay. If you need help, just look your regular salary and think about you are working with companies, with companies in United States, you are working in a goal challenge, okay. So that's a good reason to say a number, okay. And we are working in this moment with 200 company, well, maybe more, but maybe that's logos, so it's a regular team. Remember, you will receive more information about all of that things in this Jumpstart, okay. Don't worry, because sometimes I will share that information, sometimes Miriam, okay. But we have a specific time in this meeting, okay, to talk about that. The most important thing, for example, is you need to choose your job type. Uh, you are full stack, you are backend, you are front end, okay, select that. But later you need to select your stack. For example, you can be front end with Vue, front end with Angular. Just choose that, okay. Uh, Process is I need to say that is we have a common things, but it's not always the same, okay. It's a very important thing because we have different clients, we have different jobs, we have different tech stacks, okay. So it's very, sometimes we have a different things, okay, but we have a general ways, okay. The general thing is you need to create a platform, you need to upload your resume, okay, very important. You select your tech stacks and select your technologies, frameworks, libraries, languages. Okay. Later, you have to answer the work survey. Okay. We have a survey about your work experience. We want to. Later, you have to take the coach the MCQs, and later you have to take the code challenge. Okay. And after that, probably you will receive maybe two or one interviews. Okay. So that's all. That's the process in a general way, because like I said before, remember, we have different clients, different positions, different technologies. So sometimes maybe he needs a really short time one developer. So the process is short for you. Okay. So we don't have a very a specific way for all developers. Okay. Remember, we have different clients, different things. Sometimes you need one more interview than another developer. It's a regular thing. Maybe you need only one interview. It's okay. Okay. So because we need to adapt these things, okay, for each position and clients. Okay, how much do you will make in Turing? What do you want? Okay, that's an important thing. We can say a number, and I always try to say the truth. If I always, in my examples, I always say $1 or 1 million. Okay, why? Because I am smart people, and if I say a specific an amount, sometimes the developer they will say, Jose told me in the jumpstart I will receive this amount, and it's a lie. It's a lie because I can say that. Okay, you need to decide for you. And remember, sometimes we are waiting for senior developers. If you are a senior developer, you can say an amount. Okay, it's an important thing. You don't need that. Who needs help? Sometimes the juniors needs help. Okay, that's the regular thing. So just think about it. Okay, that's why I am saying always my examples with $1 and 1 million, because it's a weird thing. Okay, we know it's a joke, but you need to think, how much do you need? Okay, how much do you need for your effort? Okay, that's all. That's just put that, and we try to get a company with your petitions. Okay, like the salary, for example. Okay, so do you need English? Yeah. Okay, I believe here in this event we don't have problem, but remember, we have the jumpstart in Spanish and we have jumpstart in Portuguese. That's why, for example, we always say we need the B1 level. Okay, if you understand this conversation, this jumpstart, it's okay. You are okay. You can do it. Okay, probably I believe you can do it. And do you pay US taxes? No. Do you prepare to take Turing? Okay, my recommendation is Let Go, HackerRank, Coursera, that kind of platforms. Okay, that's a common thing. What if you fail in a test? Okay, you need to wait 90 days. Okay, 90 days is the average from 3 months. Okay, it's the same. So you need to wait. In this case 90 days, and after that you can try again. We don't have a blacklist. It's very important thing to know. In another company, you have this problem, but here you can try it 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 29, 50 times. Okay, we don't have any problem. You can try. We believe you will improve that. Okay, you will be better. Okay, we believe in that in Turing, so you don't have to wait for this is your second time and your last time. Okay, you can try any quantity of you do need. Okay, we are building engineering teams in US top companies. Okay, and the Turing investors are that. Our mission is to launch the world into human potential. Okay, the last part I was hurry up because I want to to get the chance to Miriam to talk about the specific process in Turing. Okay, I just say are regular things, but Miriam is a specialist about that. So I will let you with Miriam. I will obviously close my cam and my mic. Now Miriam will explain to you this information. Okay, so thank you very much for everyone. Don't leave because we still here. And Miriam, welcome.
Thank you so much. Before I start, can you hear me?
You are very, very low.
Oh my God. Okay, how about now? Is it better?
Uh, I feel better, but I don't know. People, do you hear? It's okay. Evelyn, say still.
Can you comment
Okay.
please in the chat? Yeah, if you are able to hear me.
Yeah. Now,
I will
now, now
continue
we can hear
again.
you better. Yeah.
Okay, still low. Okay, I'll try to
Yeah.
talk like loud
Yeah.
to
Yeah. Yeah.
see if that
Now it's
gets
okay.
better.
Don't
Okay,
worry.
great. Thank you so much. So before I start, I would like to thank you all for being here. I really appreciate you taking the time to spend these few hours with us, where you will be having the opportunity to um, have 80% of your process with us completed today. So that's a great opportunity. And I'll introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm from Argentina. I live in Buenos Aires. And I work as a talent engagement specialist here at Turing. So my work here on a daily is to have a small interview with the candidates that want to go through our vetting process. I do a small English assessment with them, and after that, I let them know a little bit more about the company, just as Jose did with you. And after that, we go more in deep, work more in depth on what the actual process is about for everybody. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do with you today. I'm going to explain a short version of the regular vetting process that the candidates need to go through here at Turing. So if we could move to the next slide, please. Thanks. So just to start, we ask you as candidates to register on our platform at developers.turing.com and to upload your resume. It needs to be in English, but if you don't have a resume in English, it's okay. You can just click on skip resume and you can upload it later. But you need to remember at some point to upload it because it will be important for your overall process. Once you have done that, we will ask you to add your basic information like your name, your phone number, your English level, your availability to work with us, your education, your years of professional experience, the tech stacks or skills that you work with, and the years of professional experience that you have with one of those skills. And we also ask you to put your current salary and your expected salary with us. So next slide, please. Okay, once you have completed your profile information, the rest of the process is divided in four big stages: the work experience survey, the multiple choice questionnaires or tech stack tests, the coding challenge, and once you're done with that, you will be already in our last stage, which is the get matched stage. Here we will be asking you to update your personal information and to take some additional recommended tests if the platform is suggesting you to do so. So next slide, please. Okay, let's start with the work experience survey. It has an average duration of 30 minutes. It usually actually is less. It doesn't take more than 10 to 15 minutes to complete it, but it can take up to 30 if you're like doing it, not paying that much attention to it. But it's 57 multiple choice questions based on your profile. It just needs to be taken once, so I know it can be a lot to take 57 questions, but it's just one time. And with this survey, we will know your seniority level. And this is a good thing because based on your seniority level, on how junior or how senior you are working in your role, we will be able to find you the better match with one of the open positions that we have with our clients based on your current abilities. So this is a good thing. And right after you finish your work experience survey, you will be able to unlock the next steps. Next slide, please. And the next steps are to start taking the multiple choice questionnaires or tech stack tests. These tests have an average duration of 40 minutes. Sometimes it's a little less, sometimes it's a little longer, depending on the skill that you work with. And you will be having the option to change and create a new tech stack for yourself. So the platform will suggest you the tests depending on the skills that you put into your profile. So if you change the skills in your profile, the platform will be changing the tests suggested to you to go through. So completing one suggested tech stack will be enough for you to move forward with the process and to unlock the coding challenge. As you can see in the screen, in this case, we have, for example, 3 different tabs suggesting tests. It's not if the same thing is appearing to you in your own screen. Please know that it's not necessary for you to go through all the tabs to complete the tests. You just need to select one tab and complete the combination of tests within that same tab in order to move forward with the process. If the platform is suggesting you a tab with just one test inside, completing only that one test as well will be enough for you to move forward with the process. And in case of failing, the other suggested combinations will continue being available for you to take them, and a new chance to try the failed test will be unlocked in the next 90 days. So this is not your only shot. You will be having multiple opportunities to go through the process. So yay to that. And next slide, please. Okay, so once you're done with the tests, you will be already at the coding challenge stage. Here, you need to know that the coding challenge, it's done in our platform and it's completely automated. You can choose, I think you will be having the possibility of choosing in between 10 different languages to solve the coding challenge with. So you can choose your favorite language out of those. to solve it, and you will be having 30 minutes total, half an hour, to solve two algorithm questions. Since we understand that 30 minutes is a limited amount of time, you will be also having the possibility of taking a practice coding challenge first, so you can see what to expect out of the actual coding challenge. The practice coding challenge can be taken as many times as needed. Okay, there's no limit on that. You can take it until you feel completely sure that you will be able to pass the actual coding challenge. And please, before taking the actual coding challenge, take a minute to read the instructions. I know it sounds redundant for me to say this, but the candidates usually don't do that, and then they don't know that the coding challenge cannot be paused, and it's a surprise for them. So please take a time to read the instructions. In case of failing the coding challenge, a new attempt will be available for you to take it within the next 90 days, as well as the tests. Okay, so again, this is not your only shot. You will be having multiple times to complete our process. So be mindful of that. And next slide, please. So once you're done with the challenge, you will be already in the get matched stage. This is where you will have to make an update of your professional experience, and this is when you can expect to have a call with the onboarding team where you will be discussing about your availability, your salary, and your professional profile. One way to shorten the time to expect this call with the onboarding team is to, as soon as you finish your coding challenge, to update your profile in the way that the platform will suggest you to do. After that, you need to take some additional tests if that's also suggested or recommended by the platform. And please, you need to always select your availability as ready to interview or open to offers. If you're not under available for jobs, the clients won't be able to see your profile regardless you being on the get matched stage. Okay, so again, be mindful of that. And next slide, please. Okay, and once you have completed our whole process, this means that your profile will be visible globally because, as Jose mentioned before, 90% of the clients that we work with are based in Silicon Valley in the USA, and the remaining 10% are spread across Europe and Australia. So your profile will be visible globally. We will be offering to you a possibility of a flexible start. You will be having your salary in US dollars. So I don't know where you're from. I've seen many different countries from you today, but here where I live, having my salary in US dollars, it's a big plus. And we offer to you full-time positions, 8 hours per day, 5 days a week. And we also are offering to you the stability of a long-term project with a chance of a new match of a 99%. This is not just a random number that we like to put here, to throw it here because it looks nice and it makes us look nice. This is an actual number, so it is extremely rare for you not to have a new match after you finish your assignment. So that's always a plus as well. And I think this is it from my side. Next slide, please. Okay, yes. I'm going to leave you with Jose again now. So thank you again so much to you all for your attention, for your time. I wish you the best of luck with the tests and with the coding challenge. And I really hope we can see you all working in a really near future with us too. Thank you so much.
Now, now, okay. I was mute. Okay. Thank you, Miriam, and thank you, everyone. Okay. Let's see. In 1 minute, I will do explain again the jumpstart because I know I see more people here, a few people, but I need to explain. Remember, the idea today is you are in the seven, okay, because probably you are very interested to get a job, okay, and in the seven you will, if you pass all the tests, okay, you will pass 80%, 85% for the Turing process, okay. That's the summary about that. Okay, so we need to start with this process. We need to see and learn what we need and about the Turing process. So if we want to start, you need to go to this link. Okay, the link is this link. Let me put on the in the chat. Okay, you need to go to this link And like in the slide says, okay, you need to type your email, okay, please. After that, you will receive a magic link. The magic link is the link to access, okay, that's all. Huzaifa is put that, okay, in the chat, actually. Okay, so just please follow the instructions, okay? Go to the link, type your email, and check your inbox. That's all, okay? Very, very easy, okay? Uh, that's the idea to start, okay, with the MCQs. Okay, before to start, I will told you about this, okay? In this moment, you will start the MCQs, okay? MCQs is the regular way to say multiple choice test, okay? Obviously, we don't want to say all the words, all multiple choice test. So in Turing, we always say MCQs. Now, this is the first regular question, okay? The second, the duration is 40 minutes, maybe. Maybe you can take, for example, I take the MCQs and I use sometimes 25 minutes. In others, I use 35. And in the worst case, obviously, you have 40 minutes, okay? So it's the duration is variable. So just that depends about you, because if you are very very uh, you are very comfortable with the language or the framework, or you have a lot of experience, maybe you will use 10 minutes, okay, 15 minutes, because it's just a regular questions, okay, and you just want to choose, okay. But that depends each technology, depends the developer, okay. That's a variable thing. And remember, you need to select the tech stacks, okay. If you want to go for mobile developer, you need to select Android, for probably Java, Kotlin, okay. You will need to pass the test. If you are a like mobile developer, iOS, you need to pass obviously iOS and Swift, okay. So that's the common thing. No, no, it's not a hard way to understand that. It's very very easy. But if you have any question, just tell me. We are here to help you, and this is the idea, okay. My recommendation is obviously just answer what do you know, okay. And probably if you don't know the answer, select one to test. And if you are if you have look, okay, maybe you choose one and this is the correct answer. But you don't wait to the last moment, okay, to finish the project, to finish not the project, sorry, the test. Because sometimes you need to put, okay, I finish, and you need to send the information. And if you have a slow internet or internet issues, maybe you take that. So in my recommendation, in my case, my recommendation is don't wait the last second to do that, okay. Do it maybe one minute before the at the end. Maybe 2 minutes is okay, I believe, in the worst case. I don't like the bad news, so I don't wait the last second to do that, okay. But is your test, obviously, is your time, okay. Even if you want, it's okay. So that's my regular content and recommendations. The first step actually is select your MCQs, okay. Select your tech stacks. uh, you can select two or three or four, okay. You can try it like mobile developer, but you can try it like backend developer, and you can try it like front end developer. And if you want, you can try it like full stack. I believe that's a very good thing here in Turing. We don't believe you only need to receive a position for one stack, okay. We believe, for example, in my case, I have experience like backend developer and mobile developer and another roles. But maybe I will apply in both technologies, in both stacks, okay. We don't believe it's a weak thing, because in other companies, sometimes when you say, I am mobile developer, but I am too a backend developer, sometimes they believe you are not good enough, and you are saying that because you just want a job. In Turing, we don't believe that. We believe the developers, probably they have a few stacks of technologies. They have experience in that stacks. So if you can prove that in the test and co-challenge, probably you will receive a position. Okay, so it's okay. You can try with different stacks. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can help you. We couldn't find your link. Please try again. Idris. Let's see. Let's wait for Sophie. I probably know. I know Sophie is checking that in this moment. Okay, just wait. Wait. Everyone, check your email and spam folder as well before filling the form. Yeah, you share the form in this moment. It's okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, waiting. I have the same problem, Ahmed. Okay, just wait. If you see in the message, in the last message from Husaifa, uh, you have a form. Okay, if after that doesn't work, like the point four, if the email is not there, okay, please fill the form. Okay, you have a new form, and after that we can help you. Okay, please do it. I filled the form and waited 5 minutes before try again. It's still the same. Okay, just wait, Hugo. Okay. Okay, just wait because we are checking that. Okay, that's an important thing. For example, that's an advantage to you to get to try this process in the jumpstart. You have help and you have support, and you can see other developers trying and receive information for that. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for the patience. Let me check. I am talking with the people. Okay, with who maybe feel. Okay. I feel from and try again after 5 minutes. I still give this error. We couldn't find your link. Please try again. Feel from. Okay. Yeah. Just wait. Okay. Like Armando, fill the form and waiting. Yeah, that's the idea. You just wait, okay? Don't worry because we don't close the times. Okay, we don't start now and we finish in 20 minutes. Okay, actually you decide how many MCQs you will do. Okay, it's not my decision. It's your decision. Don't worry. Maybe you just want to do one MCQ now. It's okay. Okay, if you want to, if you want to try other one, you can try. Okay, you can take what you want. Okay, just wait. Okay, if you have passed contact support, okay, yeah, okay. Another things I can share with you about the MCQs. Okay, the MCQs, you see, is you we can think about it like a definition about the tech stacks. Okay, so like I said before, if you select one tech stacks, you need to pass. Okay, the MCQs for these tech stacks. But if you fail maybe in one of these tests, you can try in other. Okay, that's I believe is a good thing because you don't need to wait complete the 90 days to take the chance. You can try again. Obviously, the tech stack, the first tech stack is closed for 90 days. Okay, for you, because we let this time for you for study, read more, and maybe take another test, and maybe you can talk with another developers to talk about these tests, and maybe you will receive more information. We don't know, but that's the main idea. Okay, you have 90 days after that to prepare to take the text again. Okay, let me see. Question, can you help me? I need this information. Who used the link? Okay, and it's now working, or trying, in the test. Okay, who is doing the test? If you have, uh, if you are listening me to, because I know sometimes when you start the test, sometimes you mute the event. Sorry, I need to keep talking because, uh, I need to explain and help the people. Okay, who is taking the test now? Can someone ask me, say something about that? Who's taking the test? I am Mikkel. Okay, Mikkel, you work that. Okay, that's a good thing. I didn't get the link yet. I thought it I was done. Okay, I just took the iOS yesterday, Mikkel. Okay, no. But now, in this moment, who are using the email? Who is the email? Sorry, the link. I will start coding challenge now. I already had passed NCQ. Okay. No one is who used the link and is working and it's okay. Who used the link? No one. Evelyn, the link is working now. Okay, thank you, Evelyn, so much. Can you try again, everyone, please? It's working, Samuel. Perfect, perfect. Okay, we are sometimes a few slow, but we are doing our best. Okay, link didn't work for me. Anthony say it's not working for him. Okay, Ismail. Now from did not give me an error. Okay, I give me an error. It says you will get the link. I am waiting. Okay, thank you, Ismail. Pablo, I got the link. Perfect. Okay, link is not working to me for me either. I am waiting for the response. I already. Okay. Okay. Remember, please, use the form. Okay. Joseph has shared a form with, he put a message, is in the chat in the top. Okay, is pin, you can see a pin in the chat. Okay, it's a Jose message, and he put, five steps. Okay, try with jumpstart.josely.2. Okay, try with that second step and third step. And if you can't, okay, in this moment you don't have the access, okay, to the MCQs, okay, you will, fill the form. Okay, the form is, in the step 4 in the message. Okay, please, and wait a few minutes. Okay, please. I just got the link. Thanks. No, it's okay. Or name matchy. Okay. Sorry if I am saying bad here. I am wrong with the pronunciation with your name. Sorry, but I am happy you can do it now. Kaul, I filled the form. That means I didn't get any. Okay. Can you try again, Sumet, please? Okay. Thank you. Leopold, no sound. I believe maybe it's you, Leopold. I don't know. Obviously, if I am saying that and you don't listen me. Obviously, I am a fool, but sorry. Check that because, I am very sure they are listen to me. You are listening to me. Sumet, I try again. Thank you very much, Sumet. Please, Jaime, I am waiting for response already. Okay, okay. Nice to talk with you guys. Be patient. Thank you for your patience. Okay. The most important is thing is you know, but I'm not getting the email. Okay, just wait. Let's see. Can you put your email? Can you share with Sophie your email, Sumet? Can you send the email to Sophie? Sofia is in the assistance. Okay. Sofia Idoyaga, can you send the email? Because maybe she can help you. Okay. I didn't work for me initially. I have filled the form again and I'm waiting. David, okay. I can hear you loud and clear now, but the link has dropped into my mailbox. Okay. Okay. Sumet, yes. Thank you. Thank you, Sumet. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for your patience. Okay. I will share uh, if you have sometimes a few questions about the Turing process, let me. I don't know what's happened now. You have sometimes a few questions about the Turing process, about the events, about the jump starts. Okay, I will put here my message, my information. If you want to contact me or send me an email, okay, that's okay. I will try to help you. Okay, and I will put that here in the chat. Okay, either LinkedIn and my email. Okay, in Turing. So if you need something, if you I can help you, I am happy to do that. Obviously, sometimes I late. I need to wait maybe 1 day or 2 days because I have a lot of message. But I will try to do my best. Okay, for your patient, and you can I can share that new ways to connect with you. I'm happy to see you in any of that or receive your message. Okay, so I believe everyone is now trying. Kehinde, do you have the link or no? That's the reason why you are sharing this email. Kehinde, yeah, maybe Sophie can check that. Let me check if Sophie see that. Send my email to Sophie Sumet. Thank you, thank you. Just okay, perfect. No, I don't have the link. Okay, Kehinde, thank you so much. I will share this with Sophie. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. In this moment, you obviously I know you are trying to pass the MCQs. Okay. Okay. If I didn't pass the MCQs, hi Emmanuel. Now, will I be able to write it before the 90 days? If I didn't pass the MCQs now, no, you need to wait 90 days. Okay. And it's showing here I didn't pass and I am not getting any attempt button. Jose, I had last time attempt the coding test in Jumpstart. Okay. But I had done it in Jumpstart, not on the portal. Okay. Okay, here I didn't pass and I'm not getting. Do you see something? What do you see in this moment? Okay, please tell us, and we try to help you. Okay. So it is not dropping into my Yahoo mail address. It should be able to drop Gmail. Yeah, maybe that's the reason. Okay, let me share this your. Okay. 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 If you fill the form, in this moment you have in your inbox. Okay, you have the link. We are very sure about that because we did it. Okay. So please check for please your inbox. If you fill the form, please go and check that. Okay, please go. Dice David, got it from Sofia. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, David, for confirming that. Thank you so much. Okay. Remember, the idea today is you will try to pass the process in Turing. Okay. But you will learn. Okay. You will learn about the MCQs. You will learn about the code challenge and stay because we will have prizes. Okay. We have our ruffles. Okay. Just wait and we will if you pass, for example, the MCQs, you will have surprises and the code challenge too. Okay, so it's a funny time, not just not just a test. Okay, just wait. I didn't get the link. It almost more than 10 minutes. Okay, article. Do you fill the form? Please confirm that. Actually, Husaifa is asking that. Please. Yep. Okay. Can you write your email to Sophie, please? In the assistance, you can see Sophia. Please send your mail, please. And thanks. Idris, thank you, Jose Sofia. No, thank you. Okay, for the patience, Idris. Thank you so much. Okay. Let the better way to say thank you for us is pass the MCQs. Okay, we are very happy if you pass the MCQs. Okay. Sumet, let's see. It's showing didn't pass for my code challenge, but I'm giving me an opportunity. But I should be given one as I had tried coding challenge in Jumpstart only. So we'll have to wait. Okay. We'll send the link shortly. Okay. Let's see. We have time. Okay. Just wait. We are waiting the people to pass. Okay. They are trying to MCQs. Let me check the time. Okay, we are on time. Yeah, we are on time. We have 20 minutes, 20 minutes more. Okay. We have 20 minutes more for past the MCQs. Okay. And later I will share with you a few things about the code challenge. Okay, if you want to pass and if you want, you can do it the code challenge now, but the idea is in a few minutes, in 25 minutes maybe, I will share with you a few things about the code challenge. Okay, it's a tips. Maybe you want to receive that before you try to the code challenge, and maybe that helps you. Okay, you already passed the MCC, dice Sophie, you will not receive that link. Ahmed, para purpose of the my link, dice Arthur, is to, you can access to the MCQs. Are these MCQs valid? I mean, is this prod environment or just a test environment for this meeting? Okay. Yeah, that's MCQs are valid, Jaime. Okay. Okay. We have 50. Try, if you have time for take other MCQs, you can try it. Okay, it's okay. If you want to try it, just do it. Okay, if you want to wait for the code challenge tips, and I will try to help you with more information to try to pass the code challenge. Okay. Actually, let me put here. Okay. You have now a motivation. Complete your MCQs, and you have the chance to win an Udemy subscription. Okay. So let's see what's happened. New motivation. Okay. Okay, we send all the emails. Okay, all the links. Please check your email. Maybe the last one, the last two or three links. Please go and check your inbox, please. Okay. If everything is okay, you have your link. Okay, please, 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 please. I finished two Ismail texts. Okay, congratulations. We are very happy. Which technologies, which stacks can you share with us? Miriam put automate coding challenge. Yeah, actually, what is ACC? Don't worry, Michael. I will explain that. Okay. Remember, all the concepts, all the words you see and you don't understand in this moment, after the jump start, you must. Okay. Why? Because I will explain that. Okay. Don't worry. But we divide information in chapters. Okay. So I need to go for slow because, for example, we have a few developers trying to pass the MCQs. Okay. I'm sorry for if you are trying to pass your MCQ and you are listening. No, sometimes Maybe I can confuse some developers because they are hearing me now and they say, "Why, Jose? Don't please shut up your mouth." But obviously, I need to keep explain that kind of things for other people. Okay, so sorry, but I need to do that. Okay, for example, for me it's very hard to code and listen music and listen things. I am coding, I don't put uh, anything. Okay, because I need to be very focused about that. So, but I know a lot of developers, they like to put music, for example. I don't. I can't actually. Okay, let's wait. Okay, I see the comment from me. The comment, yeah, from Miriam to Sumet. Okay, you need to wait. Yeah, actually, that's the idea. Okay, we have 10 more minutes. Okay, remember, you have 10 more minutes and we need to continue with this process. And I hope all of you pass the MCQs. Okay, I am very happy if you pass the MCQs. Okay, and congratulations for who is passing. Okay, who else finish? Okay, the link just dropped now. It's too late to start. No, you can try. Okay, do it. Okay, let's do. Okay, try it. It's okay. Don't worry. Become lose very happy. What happens? You pass. Pablo say I passed the code challenge. Congratulations. Yeah. We are very happy to hear that. Okay, we are very happy. Remember, we have 8, 10 minutes more. Okay, I just joined it. Okay, Big Mac, nice to see you. Eddie, I hope doing great. Last week at any Jumpstart session, I was session on Spanish. I remember that you say you clearly know the option. I sent several emails, but I will thank you so much. What are you? No, Eddie, thank you so much for you. Can you send me your email, please, Eddie? Eddie Lopez, please send me your email, please, to so that, okay, to check that, please. Okay, I will share this information. Okay, thank you so much, Eddie. And don't worry, don't bother me. Okay, I will pass the information right now. Okay, thanks so much, Eddie. And nice to see you again. Okay. Can I do this test tonight? My internet is not working now. Yeah, you can try, but the best is do it on the event. Okay, that's I believe that it's the best. Okay, but you can do it. Obviously, you can do it. Okay, in the at the night. And okay, we are very close to start the next stage. Okay, just wait 5 more minutes and we start. We continue with the presentation. Okay, with the slides. From Evelyn, where are you from? Remember, remember we have a few prizes, okay, for you. So stay, please, and you will maybe you will be the winner. Okay, please wait. Where are you from? Sao Paulo, Brazil. Ah, okay. Nice to see you. Do you hear about the Jumpstart? We have a Jumpstart in Spanish and Portuguese actually. From all of you, I can share this information. We have Jumpstart in 3 languages. We have Jumpstart in English. We have Portuguese. Okay, so maybe you want to try later or again in your language. Okay, it's nice to see you, Evelyn. And actually, let me share this information. Let me let me see. Let me try to find my post. Okay, here. Okay. Hey guys, I will share my contacts information. If you need help, you need something, okay, I will put here. Okay. Twitter, my email here in Turing. Okay. Please, if you need something, maybe if I can help you in I don't know, maybe in about the process, or maybe you don't know what do you need to do, what else you need to do. I don't know. With you, if you need something, just ping me, okay? Send me a message or anything, and I will try to help you. Okay, remember, we are here. In my case, community. Okay, so that's my okay. I try to help you to receive the information, to keep information very clear about the process, maybe my main task with the community. Okay, so if you need something, just tell me. Okay, and it's nice to see you then in other social networks too. Okay, so Evelyn, I hope I can see you in the maybe Portuguese or maybe Spanish for you. Okay. No, Evelyn, thank you. Okay, let's see. Well, guys, we need to continue. Okay, if you keep one thing, okay, we will share the winners about the Udemy subscriptions at the end of the event. Okay, obviously because we want more people at the end. Okay, that's the we don't have secrets. We are very honest with the people. So at the end, we choose two winners. Okay, I hope if you stay, you can win the Udemy subscription. If we say a name and it's not here, okay, we choose another one. At the end, we hope, at least in the worst case, we have two developers in the event, okay, because they win the Udemy subscription. That's correct. I am clear about that. Do you understand this? Okay. Pablo Skyda, how was the coding challenge? Which problems did you have to solve that? Don't worry, Michael. We talking about the code. Let's see. My the coming next is the it's a good a brand phrase. How to ace Turing coding challenge. Okay, my name is Jose Lujan. Obviously, you know that because we start at the beginning in the event talking about my name. I'll say my name, and I am community program manager here in Turing, and I will share with you this information. Okay, and okay, just let me check here if I am okay. Yep. Yeah, we have the time. Okay, just let me put. Uh, After your MCQs, you have to pass the code challenge. The code challenge is very easy because I believe it's very easy to define that because we have two problems. Okay, remember two problems. Okay, but we have a different interface. Okay, I will show you the interface. Don't worry about that. All of you, if you try to it's your first time and you want to try the code challenge, you can take a test. Okay, so my recommendation is practice with that because is the main reason to have a test. Is for you you can take the test, know you can see the interface. Okay, you can see where is the buttons, you can see where is the problem, where is the editor. Okay, inputs, outputs, that's all. That's the reason why you need to take the test. Okay, but you don't, it's not a must. Okay, but it's a recommendation. The code challenge, like I said before, is two problems. Okay, these two problems is about an algorithm. The idea is, okay, you have a problem. This problem, you have to solve that using a one language. Okay, you can choose PHP, you can choose Python, you can choose Swift, you can choose Java, you can choose JavaScript, you can choose C sharp. I don't remember maybe all these languages, but I suppose these languages I am very sure because I did it. Okay, and for example, maybe who say who passed? Pablo, which language do you choose? Can you share with us that information? Maybe I don't know if you're still here, but if you are here, please tell us, or who else do it? Pablo is here. Yeah, Pablo is here. Okay. Languages you can do it. And another thing, the duration. Okay, how much how how you can pass this code challenge? Just send the answer 30 minutes before. Okay, And obviously we check the answer, we check the code, we check everything. And if you pass, you will receive a notification in the moment. Okay. Maybe we can say it's in real time. Okay. I don't like to use that word, but okay, it's in real time because we know the what kind of solution we are waiting. Okay. So you will see the information. My recommendation when you are working in the Turing platform is put attention in the green color. Okay. Green color after trying to pass, it's correct. Okay. You pass. If you finish the code challenge and just say complete, is okay, is a complete test. Okay. But you don't pass the code challenge. Okay. So that's the difference. When you pass the code challenge, you will receive a message and you will see, okay, is you pass the code challenge. Okay. And you will see a green color. I try to remember that the color. It's a hard thing to remember, but I am very very sure you will see a green message. Okay. And if you don't pass, you only see, okay, you complete the challenge, but that's all. Okay. You will see maybe the hour, the time, the date. That's all. The word pass. Okay. So that's the main difference. Let's see, Pablo. Pablo, hello. Yes. So where was an array? Okay, Pablo. Okay, and other than the duplicate. Could you please show the coding challenge on Python? Yeah, I can show. I can't show you because it's a different code challenge. Okay, but you can take Python. You can take because I did it. Okay, I did the code challenge in Python. I did it in Java. I don't remember what other language, but I did it. Okay, so you just need, this is the, okay, if you click in the button to start the code challenge, you will see this interface. It's very 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 similar, it's the same almost. uh, you will see the left side is about the problem, about in the left side is the problem, the description, the title, the examples. Okay, the inputs, the outputs. Okay, so please read and read and read again. Okay, the most important thing is you need to understand the problem. Okay, if you see in the left side, you can see choose a problem, because I say that before, we have two problems, so you can change problem one and problem two. Okay, you can switch. Okay, and it's okay. And in the right side, you have the editor. You can write the code. Okay. In the bottom, you have a test one. Okay. Sometimes you have test one, test two, test three. And you don't see in this interface, in this screenshot, but we have in the bottom, you have the about, in the bottom, yeah, you have a button to select, say, send the, submit the code. Okay, I am very very sure the word is submit. So you have, you when you finish the problem, please submit. Okay, and you have to submit both problems. You have to submit problem one and you problem two. Okay, that's the interface. Okay, and that's all. And you have in the bottom too, you have the time. It's very important because remember, you have 30 minutes, only 30 minutes. And one recommendation more, again, don't wait at the last minute, at this last second. Well, maybe the last minute it's okay. I don't do that. Okay, I don't like that. Sorry, I don't like that to wait the last minute. But if you need, just do it. Okay. But my recommendation is maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, because remember, sometimes internet issues, maybe you have a bad connection, maybe you have, I don't know, a lot of reasons. Okay. Okay. So all your effort in this half an hour, in this 30 minutes, maybe you don't see the your effort, you don't believe is a good thing for your effort, don't receive the don't send the answer. Okay, that's a real problem. That sometimes happens because like I said before, internet issues, server issues, etc. You are developers. Shit happens. Okay, so my recommendation is try to do it 2 minutes before at the deadline, or 1 minute in the worst case. But I don't believe it's a good idea. Okay, you can see the minutes at the bottom. Okay, behind yeah, at the bottom after test one. Okay, after test one, you can see submit on the right side and the time in the left. Okay, so you can see with one eye the button, and you can see with the other eye the time. Okay, so my recommendation is, remember, I know, I know I am saying a lot this. Okay, but you need to be focused in send information, because some developers, they believe we have autosave, and I need to be very clear with that. We don't have autosave. Okay, it's not Google Drive. Okay, so please, if you finish, if you feel everything is okay, please submit. Okay, because if you don't, we don't have those save, and some people, they believe 30 minutes. Okay, so I will try to do my best, and I know when it's close, they receive the information and don't. Okay, we don't receive the information. So you need to submit the information. Okay, I don't want to scare you. Okay, that's but I want to be very clear with this, because like I said before, maybe you are taking this so seriously and you are working very hard, and after that, if I don't say these things, okay, uh, sometimes you believe I am lying, I am not clear. So that's the reason I like to say very, very loud these things. Okay, so that's the main recommendations about this. Okay, but I have 6 tips to share with you. Okay, I have 6 tips to share with you, like developers, because I know all of you are developers. Okay, the first steps, I will change that. Please understand the problem. Okay, take your minutes, 5, 3, 10 minutes, if you need, to read and understand the real problem. Okay, please try to understand, because sometimes you try to code before you understand the problem. That's the worst case. Okay, I don't believe if you need to code before to think about the solution. That's a really bad idea. Okay, I am very sure it's a bad idea. You need to think and understand before. And the last step is code. Okay, the last step is type the things. Okay, so believe me, please try to understand and try to think about the solutions. Okay, maybe you need to develop the solution in your mind. It's okay, you do it. Okay, you need to do it. It's okay. It's a natural way to think. Okay, but the worst case is when you start to think, but you don't finish to think solutions and the problems and the mains and the goals, and you are working in the code. That's a bad idea. Okay, we don't believe it's a good way to do it, but you are free, you can do it. Okay, so we are just sharing our recommendations. Okay, the second tip, the second recommendation, okay, is, in my case, I really believe that, is try to write the inputs and the outputs. Okay, okay, we have inputs like numbers or characters or words or integers. Okay, and what do you expect like outputs? Another number, another variable, an object, I don't know. But in my case, one way or one thing to I need to do to divide the problem, that's another recommendation. Please divide the problem in small problems. Just think about the inputs and the outputs. Okay, what do you receive and what do you do send? That's another thing we need to think about it. Okay, I believe with a few experience, it's a good idea to check your inputs and outputs, because if you understand what's happened or what do you expect about that, sometimes you have more information about the problem. Okay, remember, it's not a mandatory. I am just sharing, I have tips to take the code challenge, and actually not just the Turing code challenge, any code challenge, okay? Because we are talking about problems, about algorithms, not about only Turing test, okay, or only Turing code challenge. We are talking about the code, okay? We are using this information to take the Turing code challenge, okay? The number three, okay, recommendation number three, try to write an algorithm, okay? Like in the university, when we are trying to understand the programming, okay? This exercise is very common, okay? Okay, you can try to write the algorithm. Maybe you need to use a sheet of paper, okay, and a pencil. Maybe you want to use the notepad in your computer if you want, okay, it's okay. Maybe you want to use another different software for that, it's okay. But the most important thing is try to write the pseudocode, okay? Because sometimes when you are define, you try to define the instructions, you will see you need to change a few things. Maybe the inputs, the format, the types, the variables, okay? You need to change something. But how do you see that? How you will see this information? Well, after trying to write this algorithm, okay? That's my tip number three, okay? I really believe it's a very good idea to try to write the pseudocode, but sometimes we don't have enough time. But if you have it, and you think you can do it, obviously it's a good idea, okay? The tip number four, okay, because yeah, number four is you you need to choose your better language, okay? For example, I saw a comment about JavaScript or Python. I don't remember who asked about that. Juan Cadavid, for example. Some people they want to use, for example, JavaScript, but they know a few Go, and they believe maybe if they use Go, uh, maybe they will pass because it's fancy than JavaScript. Okay, maybe it's better because we know the capabilities from Go, but maybe you believe it's a better language to prove yourself. Okay, but sometimes when we have problems, okay, we need to use the brute force. Okay, for example, if you are not very familiar with the brackets, when we need to use the brackets, or when we need to use a specific character, sometimes maybe you need to pay that with time. And if you waste your time, you don't pass the test or the code challenge. Okay, that's my recommendation. And maybe my most important recommendation is trying to do with the best language, okay, for you, okay? Because in the worst case, you will need to use the brute force, and probably you will lose a lot of time checking a few things about the syntax, okay? In Google, Stack Overflow, any browser, okay? Because you need to read or check something. So that's why the brute force is very important for us. Not always, okay, just in the code challenge, because you are running with time. So you can pass this time, okay? You need to do it before. So that's my recommendation number four. What do you think about these recommendations? Can you tell me what do you think about it? I have two more recommendations before you try your Go challenge. Okay. My recommendation number five. Okay. My recommendation number five, and maybe the most famous recommendation for all the students in the world. Okay. Test your solution. Okay. We know all the developers the joke in my computer was working, o sea, it's okay. uh, I know it's okay because I execute that, but you only execute one time, okay? That's a real problem. So the recommendation is test your solution, try it 2 times, 3 times at least, okay? In a better case, maybe 5 times, 5 or 4 times, okay? But in the worst case, The ideal is maybe 3 times. Okay, check with 3 different variables, with 3 different parameters, with 3 different scenarios. You will better information to see if you are correct or if your algorithm is okay. Okay, that's why my recommendation is check or try always to check. Okay, this solution, test this. Uh, okay, it's if you want to use each technology, each framework, it's okay. We don't have to worry about that. But the real thing is you need to test your solutions. Okay, so tell me you have any questions. You are very quiet in this moment. Okay, and the number six, my tip number six is the optimization. Okay, don't think in the optimizations at the beginning. Okay, why? Because if you are thinking about the optimizations, maybe you don't have the correct answer, and you lose a lot of time. You are losing a lot of time thinking about optimizations, but you don't have a solution. So the common thing to do that is, okay, think about the problem, divide the problem, okay, define inputs and outputs, okay, propose a solution, okay, code the solution, and after the code the solution, okay, you have the answer, the correct answer, yes, okay. Can you think about the optimization? Okay, if you can, you have time, just do it. Okay, and after that maybe you can say we are finished. Okay, but that's the common way to think that. Okay, because a lot of times if you are thinking in the solution 2 times or 3 times before to finish to really finish the project or the code challenge, probably you are wasting your time. So that's my last and sixth number, my number six tip. Okay, my tip number six. Sorry. Okay. Do you have any questions? Any comment? Did you have that? Just tell me, because in a few seconds, in a few minutes, you will start to code the code challenge. Okay, just tell me if everything is okay, and I will check that. Okay, just tell me, what do you think? Everything's okay? Yes, I did multiple code challenges earlier. Okay, yeah, it's a good idea, Mohammed. It's okay. You're very quiet. Are you trying the code challenge? Okay, let's see. Okay, let me check this. Okay. Yeah, we are on time, actually. Okay. Okay. I have one good news. Okay, about this, about the code. If you pass the code challenge, maybe you can win a experience box. Okay, obviously Turing experience box. So you will receive that in your house. Okay, we where are you? If you are in Mexico, it's okay. You don't have to worry about that. You will receive the Turing experience box. Okay, that's a good thing because remember, two good news. You pass the code challenge and you have access to the Turing experience box. We only choose one in this jumpstart. Okay, that's the reason why we believe it's very important to you stay here in the event, because we have 2 Udemy prices. Okay, 2 Udemy subscriptions and one Turing experience box. Okay, so we have 3 winners, and probably you have a probability position. Okay, or you will receive maybe one interview or two more to talk about your experience, and maybe with the work, with the teamwork, okay, with your, probably your new boss maybe. Okay, that's just wait for that. And the good news is, okay, you can try your code challenge in this moment. So let's see what's happened. Okay, that's the main the main idea. We, in this moment, you need to pass this last step. Okay, remember, after the code challenge we have a few more things. We have to talk about how you can get more chances to pass and receive an inform position. Okay, so just wait, because if you don't, if you, maybe you are now in the code challenge, just wait a few minutes, and we will talk about how you can receive more chances to to pass in Turing process. Okay, and we share the winners. Okay, we will share the winners. Remember, we have three winners: two about the Udemy subscriptions, and one about this Turing Experience box. Okay, and remember, um, we are here to help you. Just tell us if you have any questions, if you have any problem. Okay, please share this information with us, and just talk with you. Mikel, thanks for the info today, Jose. It was helpful. I hope that's the idea, Mikel. Thank you so much. But try your code challenge. That's the better thing. I passed the code challenge 15 minutes ago during the NCQ time. Will I be considering this route? Yeah, the most important thing, Hugo, is you pass today, now, in this moment. Okay, in the event duration. If you pass in this moment, it's okay. Well, if you pass yesterday, no. If you pass tomorrow, no. Okay, you need to pass in these 3 hours. That's the only thing we need to know. Okay, so in this case, Hugo, probably you are considered. Actually, I know Pablo too. Pablo Skyra too. It's on the table. Okay, Mikel, well, my apartment is being renovated today, so there is no power or Wi-Fi. I will try later. Okay, okay, Mikel, don't worry about that. Okay, so you can start. Please try it. Try again, please. Try to do it, and we are here to help you. Okay, let me check a few. Okay, let's see. Give it a chance. Good luck to everyone. Yeah, we have 40 people now. Okay, I hope we have at least, in the worst case, 5, 6 uh, people. Yeah, 5, 6, maybe 7. With the code challenge, with a complete code challenge, and with the complete MCQs. Okay, I suppose that, but maybe I am wrong. Maybe it's a better number. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, and who finished? Hugo and Pablo. Okay, who else passed the code challenge? We have someone else with code challenge finish. Okay. Everything is okay. I see that. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's see. I know some of you are mute. Okay, don't worry about that. If you have any question, I still here, and just tell me, please, if you need help about something. We have Husai, we have Miriam, Sophia. Okay, so if you need something, just tell us. Okay, and we are happy. Bruna too, actually. Sorry for forget you, Bruna. Okay. Let's see. I don't hear. Let's see. Adrian Soto, do you pass MCQs? Do you pass the code challenge? Can you share that information? We are not a police, okay? We are not police. We are trying to know the situation for sorry. Wesley, it's okay. Everything. Do you try the code challenge? Do you try the MCQs? Walter Mendes too. Okay, I am trying to talk with people who don't write. Walter and Temi, are you okay? Where are you from? Do you try the code challenge, the MCQs? Do you have any problem with that? Okay, just tell me. Anthony, nice to see you. I can take the code challenge. It's showing this didn't pass. Do you try it before, Anthony? If you try it before, maybe it's the reason. Okay, we need to. You try wait 90 days. Okay, remember that. Okay, let's see who else. Uh, to Armando Monjane challenge. Cor- Cornelius, do you try it? Co-challenge MCQ? What do you try? Yes, I tried 90 days ago. Exactly 90 days ago, because in this case you can try again. But if you don't have the exactly 90 days, maybe you need to wait 1 or 2 more. Walter. Okay, where are you from, Walter? Mendes. You will have a new try within the next day. Yeah, like Miriam says. Yeah. Remember, I can add a few comments in this moment. The the about the I forgot that. A few comments about the jumpstart. Okay, we have a jumpstart in Spanish and Portuguese. If you are native, if your mother tongue is Spanish or maybe it's Portuguese, you can try it in that languages. But the detail here is Spanish, we just have one each month. Okay. For example, in July, we did it one week ago, maybe 1 or 2 days more or less, but 1 week ago we have an Spanish. I don't remember now in this moment when is the Portuguese, because I am not the host, sorry, but you can check that, and actually I will share with you the jumpstart link, okay, to see the new jumpstarts. Let me check that. Okay, let me put that. Okay, start. Okay, so with this link I will share with you, you can see all the jump starts. Okay, for the next one. Thank you, Bruna. Like Bruna says, next Portuguese one is on August 16. Actually, in Spanish is 15. Okay, so Monday is the Spanish and Tuesday is then the Portuguese. Okay, thank you, Bruna. Thank you so much. And in this, I share a link, okay, for the next jump starts. If you click here, you always see the jump starts. Okay, only is for see the events in the community platform, in the Turing platform, just about the community, just the jump starts. Okay, so I searched that for you. Enable to open the code challenge link. Can you tell this is the only message. Some okay, and you is only one message that this message. Can you share this information, please? And I will share with the team here. Okay, thank you so much, Sam, for share that. And you see, you have the community.turing and search jumpstart all okay. Like Runa says in the next, for example, for Evelyn, she says Brazil. Okay, you want if you want to receive all the information in your language. At the end, remember when you are in Turing, you need to talk English. Okay, you need to write English. You need to read English. It's okay, but sometimes the test some developers they feel. Uh, I don't want to say is is easiest because it's a hard way to see that, or maybe they feel comfortable because they receive the instructions in Portuguese. They can ask a few questions. They can receive formation in Portuguese. So sometimes, and actually, if we have that, take it. Okay, take this chance because not always is this chance. Okay, maybe in 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month, maybe we don't have this chance. Okay, so that's we share this information, Spanish and Portuguese options. Okay, Jaime. Jaime Santana. I have just sent MCQs, everything okay, but I can try the code challenge. I have this error, and an error has occurred. Click here to report our team. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, and like Miriam says, trying from an incognito window. Okay, Jaime, you are in Spanish, I believe for the name, but and one thing I forgot to say that. Okay, sorry for all of you. Please try to do it, the code challenge in Google Chrome. Okay, we have a few problems with Firefox. Okay, and or you can try in Safari. Okay, I am very sure you have a few problems maybe if you are using Firefox. Okay, and the second is please remove the ad blocker. Okay, it's an important thing. If you are using some software, some extension to block the ads, probably you will have a problem in the code challenge. Okay, so try to use Chrome, try to use Safari, but you need to try without the ads blocker. Okay, it's an important thing. I forgot that before. Sorry. Okay, so try to do that, and if you can't because you are follow these steps, maybe you need to use the incognito mode incognito. Yeah, it's the same word. Actually, we have this conversation in the last jumpstart English jumpstart about incognito. Okay, so just go to the browser and select you want to use that mode. Okay, that's important because some computers, I don't know why, some browsers they have issues with that. Maybe it's a extension or I don't know a track possibility. I don't know. I don't know actually, but we are very sure you have a few problems. If you have a few problems, maybe you can try it with the incognito mode. Okay, so please take this information and try to pass the code challenge. Okay, Jaime, just tell us if you keep with problems, please. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, okay. Mm, okay, we are on time. Okay, just try it, Jaime. Okay, Evelyn, I hope to see you in the Portuguese. Okay, maybe if you want, obviously you can try in English. It's the same. Okay. Okay, we have one good news. Okay, yeah, I just to confirm that because maybe I can say I can say something, and maybe I am wrong, but if I understand, Sophie, the Turing Experience box is open for, okay, not just for the developers to pass the code challenge. Okay, because we know in this moment you are trying very hard. Okay, you're still here. Okay, keep in the event at the end of the event, obviously, and you will participate for the Turing Experience box. Okay, so we are very happy for that because you don't need exactly pass. Okay, that's the first time I saw that. Okay, so I believe Sophie is very happy because yesterday was her birthday, so you can say Sophie if you want, and probably maybe Sophie share more possibilities to win the Turing Experience box. Okay, I know in this moment in the you are in the trying to solve this. Okay, but remember, I need to keep talking because maybe you will sleep if or maybe I will sleep if I don't keep talking because we don't have a lot of people sometimes with like other Turing jump starts. Okay, so you see the Turing. Okay, you have in the slide, yeah, in the the Turing Experience box. Okay, so okay, let's see. In my mind, I have Pablo and Hugo. Just they both passed the code challenge. Okay, so all of you can participate for the Turing Experience box. Okay, I hope you can pass. And remember, just say happy birthday to Sophie because was her idea. Okay, she yeah, she saw we have very good developers today. Okay, actually she have to wake up very early today after the party yesterday to prepare the jumpstart. So believe me, she's very good doing that. Okay, okay. Who else? Fernando Dominguez, where are you from? Can you tell me where are you from? Remember, I am asking random people who I don't see they do, you do right before in the chat. Okay, Stella. I remember seeing Stella before in the past Jumpstart, I believe. In the last past Jumpstart, yeah. I suppose maybe I am wrong. Okay. Who else? Who else? Who else? Let me check. Oh boy, Emmanuel, where are you from? Where are you from? Okay. I see a lot of happy birthday, Sophie. Obviously, I know you want to win the Turing Experience box. Do you see, Sophie? Can you imagine if we can share two Turing Experience box? The people maybe will just send you a cake now after that, not just saying happy birthday. Maybe it's a good idea. I don't know. Think about it. Oh, wow. From Uganda. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is your first jump start? Okay. Eddie, are you there, Eddie? I send, yeah, I send information. Okay. They are checking that. Okay. And thank you so much for, for joining us today. Okay. Okay. Another happy birthday to Sophie. Okay. You see, Sophie? You are the Turing Experience box girl. So that's a good power here in Turin. Actually, I know Miriam and Bruna. Maybe she wants a Turing Experience box too. Actually, me too. You know, we don't have a Turing Experience box. It's sad. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. We have on time. Yeah, we have time. Actually, we all do. Yeah, Miriam. You have Sophie very close, so maybe you can go to her house and still one. I already have been on a company for a bit longer. Yeah, maybe Miriam and me we are very new, and that's the reason. We have time. Let me check the schedule. Okay, 10, 8. Okay, we are on time. Yeah, we have 30 minutes. Okay, you will receive one soon as well. Yeah, I hope. I want to receive another things, but let's see. I don't worry about the. I am living in Cancun, so I can't use the hoodie. It's very hot for here, and the hat I'm not fan. Maybe the mo I can do it. My connection gone and come back here now. Did I miss something? No, Ismail. You try the code challenge? Okay. And you missed the Sophie birthday. Okay, but that's a regular thing. No, you can try the code challenge. Do you that before, or do you use the MCQs? What the better thing is, can you explain in which step are you? Okay, you pass the code challenge, the MCQs, or nothing? You are trying now. Just tell us. Okay, if you need help, we can help you. I finished the code challenge. Okay, and you pass? Do you see the green message with the password in the middle? Yeah, I passed. Perfect, perfect. Very happy. We have three. So in this moment, Sophie, you can see now we have three developers with Code Challenge Pass. Hugo and Ismail. Okay. So I believe it's a we are okay with numbers. Okay. So remember, if you keep at the end, you can participate. All of you, okay, all of you. You don't have to pass the code challenge. You can participate for the Turing Experience box. Turi will Turin. Sophie will choose uh, who are saying happy birthday to her to win the Turing Experience box. Okay. Remember, it's a joke because obviously maybe after that I will see a message in social networks. No, we don't. You only give this Turing boxes says Sophie happy birthday, but it's a joke. Let's see what Pablo says. Could you guys help me out? Okay, I dream about a blockchain job. Me too. Okay, we are too.
Yeah.
I don't say that. If in 4 weeks I pass the blockchain challenge, could you help me on match for those kind of jobs instead of the other language? Uh, I need to say something about the blockchain. Remember, the blockchain is very obviously it's not too new, but it's a new if you need to compare with Python or we need to compare with Django or React or JavaScript. Okay, probably we don't have a lot of jobs about blockchain. Okay, it's a fact because it's a very specific technologies. But if we have blockchain MCQs and we have this, actually you can see in Turing we are looking for blockchain developers. Okay, so probably you will receive possibilities. Okay, so just my recommendation, okay, is we need to you need to pass, okay, the MCQs and the code challenge, and after that you can put, you can remember you can update the information in your resume. Okay, but if you put you are a mobile developer and later you put and you take the test for blockchain developer, we don't have the correct match, okay, about the information. I believe you need to expose your projects, okay, expose your experience about the blockchain technologies, okay. And remember, if you are working with blockchain, you can use Rust, you can you can use Go, you can use JavaScript, you can use React. Okay, I believe that's the main technologies to work with blockchains, because actually I am working with blockchain technology. In case I am working, for example, with Near, and I use Rust for that. Obviously, I need to use Rust. I am using WAMS, WAMS Rust, and maybe React. React is the most common front end tools to create projects in crypto. So probably you need to take the React test. For example, I am very bad with web technologies. For example, I very bad, and actually I don't like React. I It's not my favorite technology. I prefer Vue for a lot of reasons. But in the crypto world, you need to talk about React. Okay, you need to use React. In my case, I always say I am just a contract developer or blockchain developer about contracts, but not about the front end, because I am very bad with that. But like I said before, think about these technologies. Go Solidity, obviously. I forgot Solidity before. Solidity and yeah, this that depends obviously about the blockchain. With Ethereum, you are talking about Solidity, or and that's all. Binance is the same, Solidity. We are talking about Near, Solana, Rust, okay, or Polygon. So that depends. Okay, remember, you don't only need to say blockchain developer. Okay, developer, but with what technologies do you want to use? Okay, these tests, MCQs, and maybe we can help you more with that. Okay, and believe me, we don't have a lot of jobs about blockchains, but we don't have a lot of developers of blockchains too. It's the same. So that's the. Could you give me your email? Yeah, actually, I will put my email. Sorry, I email, Twitter, and LinkedIn profile. Okay, because sometimes the people hates the email. I don't know why, but sometimes the people hates the Twitter. Sometimes the people hates LinkedIn. So I put the three, the three different channels to talk about it. Okay, yeah, I would put that. Okay, and actually I am working in a few projects, in a few crypto projects. Now, do you hear me and see me? Okay. Mohammed, this I have complete code challenge yearly. I might have the opportunity today or not. Uh, Let me think about it. Since I have complete code challenge earlier, I might have opportunity today. But do you pass the code challenge? I don't understand. Sorry. Do you pass the code challenge before this event or this moment? I don't understand that. Please tell me, or I don't know if someone understand that. The screen froze when I was left with two questions of MCQ. Uh, is froze now? You are waiting for that, or is froze and you close the window? What happens, Kehinde? Like Sophie says, exactly. If you pass already, you don't have to attempt again. If you fail, you have to wait 90 days since you fail. Yeah. Okay, let's see, Mohammed. I complete NCQ to date itself, and I have complete multi-page challenge before. But how do you pass? How do you do the code challenge before the MCQs? Do you have passed MCQs before? Did you pass? Did you pass MCQs before? Because the code challenge, it's only available, it's only open after your MCQs. That's why I am a little confused about that. Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, that's the reason. Okay. That's the thing. That's if you pass the code challenge today, it's okay. Okay? You don't have to take again. You are in the almost final stage, okay? Uh, you after this time, I will share with you how you can boost your matching chances, okay? So just in maybe 5 or 10 minutes, I will show how you can maybe receive or how you can get more chances to receive information or receive an interview. Okay, Mohammed? And like Sophie says, yeah, you can take more MCQs. Okay, if you need to want. For example, like Pablo says, he passed the blockchain test, but maybe he needs to try the MCQ about Python or Go or Rust or Solidity because he wants a blockchain position. Okay, so we have a different technologies, and he need to pass these technologies. Okay, that's a regular thing. Okay, so remember when you see a position in LinkedIn or Turing or any platform, sometimes we saw a field, and in this field put nice to have. Okay, when we see nice to have, is like a recommendation, or you will be preferred if you have we prefer people or developers with these skills. Okay, so in our case, in Turing case, if you take more MCQs, sometimes it's a very good confirmation for this nice to have. Okay, so that's a recommendation. It's not a rule. Okay, it's an important thing. It's not a mandatory, it's just a recommendation. Okay, remember, we have always in all the positions like developers, we have all nice to have. Okay, so if you know, it's a very very common thing. For example, nice to have a Amazon Web Service, or nice to have Google Cloud or nice to have JavaScript, just take it. Just take these MCQs. I am very sure that's helped you to get a job. Okay, an offer. I am really comfortable. I really believe that. Okay, so that's the idea. Remember, if you know your positions or your probably jobs will have a nice to have, just do these MCQs. Okay, that's my recommendation. Okay, it froze the display session and the Twitter currently nothing is being displayed. Is a white screen, Kehinde? That's a real weird thing. Let me check what happens. Okay. Okay. Let me check the agenda, please. I will see if we are on time or what happened. Okay. You are on time. Yep. I am slow because I need to make the I need to translate the time. Okay, sorry. The time 98. Okay, media. Okay, we have 10 more minutes. Okay, please. 10 more minutes to go challenge. Okay. Currently not to display. Michael Adeni. Hello, I am Android developer. Okay, me too, actually. Nice to meet you, Michael. I passed two stack tests, Android and Kotlin. Perfect. And also the coding challenge. However, I am being asked to take a stacks test to React Native and iOS before I can consider for a job match. That depends. Okay, it's not the same always. Okay, like I said before, you can do it. I am being asked to take a stack test to React. If you believe you can do it, just do it. Okay, because that's a good idea. Actually, for example, when we are working searching a job like Android developer, we have a lot of positions with a nice to have iOS. Okay, iOS is a regular thing because if you know how to create a native applications, probably the best idea is you need to know how you can create at least the general things about the iOS development. Okay, so it's a regular thing. Sometimes React, well, maybe, but React is not exactly native; it's a multi-platform. So, and actually, that's a different thing. It's the same like Flutter. Okay, so sometimes it's a good thing, Flutter, but I saw positions when they need to know the create and native applications. Okay, but remember, it's because we have sometimes an specific requirements for a specific jobs, obviously. Okay, Michael, but I'm very happy you passed the stacks Android and Kotlin and the code challenge too. That's you are prepared for that. Okay, that's a good thing to know that. Okay. Okay, Kehinde, I just saw pass mark in front of the React I attend now. That was after I rendered the link. Okay, I start the challenge now. I hope it is not too late. No, try it, try it. Okay, Kehinde, don't worry. And actually, I remember I need to keep talking. Okay, we have more developers, more people here. But if you need to lower the volume, do it. Okay, don't worry. You do it. You focus and good luck. Okay, you try it. Try it. Is the most important thing is we have more developers with the code challenge. Okay, okay. That's the main reason we are creating the Jumpstart to pass to help the developers to pass the MCQs and code challenge. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, just do it. Don't ask for permission. Do it. Okay. Jaime, already finished the coding challenge for the second time. What's next? Do you pass the code challenge, Jaime? Okay, let me see. Shishir, I just joined. Can I now the contest? Yeah, we are trying to solve the MCQs and the code challenge. Okay. The page is still checking the conditional answers without displaying the challenge. Alejandro del Campo. Hi, Alejandro. Where are you from? Hi, it says we could find your link. Please try again. If error persists, please fill this form and try it again. Yes, Alejandro. Is about the form. Can you see the pin message? No, we changed that. We changed. Okay, from Argentina, you Mexico. Okay, let me check. Let me share the form. Okay, we need to continue. Okay, remember, if you stay here, okay, you can win, okay, the coding challenge, the Turing experience box. Mm. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay. And now, the main reason for no, it's not the main reason, but it's a good reason, okay, to stay here, okay, in the last part, okay. And today, It's not the end, but we are very close to the to close this event. Okay. The idea is now, okay, you pass the MCQ or maybe not, but I suppose you pass the code challenge. Okay. The regular question is, can I do anything? Okay. Or I can do one step more, or I need to do something else to receive a opportunity, a job, okay, a position. The regular answer is yes. You can to receive more chances. Okay, we put the name for this section like boost your matching chances. Okay, because that's the idea. That's the that's the concept here. We want to explain that because yes, you can do it something. Okay, it's not just one thing. It's a several steps. Okay, the in this moment I will explain each is a configuration. Yeah, it's a yeah, you need to config or you need to change fields maybe, or you need to put something in some data in your fields. Okay, so if you pass the MCQ and you pass the code challenge, okay, maybe you can do a small effort more to receive more chances. Okay, so uh, please update your CV. Okay, update your resume because some developers, when, for example, today you create your account in Turing, but you put your information and that's all. Maybe in 1 year you come back and say, I want a job, but your resume is the same as the past year. Okay, so that's not a good number, a good definition. Okay, we need the last update. We need actual information. Okay, please, please update this because if you don't send that, we can help you. Okay, why? Because we don't know if you have more experience. We don't know if you are alive. Actually, we don't know if you are searching a job. We don't know. Or maybe we just know ground data. So that's an important thing. Please update your resume. Please. Okay. The second thing, and very important thing. Okay. Please put your availability. Okay, it's very important you put, okay, maybe I will available for full-time job, or maybe I am available for pre-full-time. Okay, remember, obviously it's not a secret. We have a lot of positions waiting for you with full time. Okay, we have a lot of positions. Maybe we can say 90%, 80, 95% is about full time positions. Okay, it's a good number. I don't know the exact number, but we have a good number about that. But we have positions with pre full time. Okay, we have it. Okay, so you know why I am saying that, because we need to think about, we are working with companies from Silicon Valley, we are working with companies with international impact, we are working in companies with huge projects. So obviously they are have you, but with full time. Okay, but if you can work with pre-full time, obviously it's okay. Okay, just put the truth. Remember always in Turing, which is very important here in our platform. Please just say the truth. Okay, because if we see something and maybe you receive a full-time position, but you don't really want this position, it is a problem for us. Okay, please keep that in mind and try to be very honest with the answers. Okay, and if you are working now in Turing and you are in a project, but you know maybe you will finish, or you want to change, or something else, please put your information like in the field, obviously in the correct field, put need quick rematch. Okay, this information is for us, is for our team, and when we receive this information, we start moving the threads to see what happens, what we need, what is the next step. So that's a way to communicate or say to Turing, you will need help to a rematch. Okay, that's an important thing because, and actually, I like to share the numbers about the rematch in Turing because we have a very good numbers. We have 99% about the rematch. So we are saying if we have 100 developers and they need a rematch, probably 99 they will receive a new chance. Okay, I believe it's a very good number. I believe it's a very good information. So is I believe all the developers sometimes they are worried about the rematch because they don't know if they will receive a new chance. But if I am saying the number 99, you are very comfortable with that because it's I believe it's a good number. No, it's hard to say if what is a good number and bad number, but we understand 99% is almost 100. Okay, so that's why I can say is okay to share with you. And talking about the available time, it's not a secret to if you are trying to get a job. If one company asks about how about the time, what do you need to start with them? Okay, if you say 6 months, obviously they are not here for wait developers 6 months because it's very hard. Okay, it's a very weird thing, but we have a number in our mind okay, is 4 weeks. Okay, 4 weeks or 1 month. It's a regular time to wait for for the developers. Okay, so in our experience, the recommendation is okay. Maybe you can say or you can put in the field. You can start in, but if you really can't, okay, I need to be honest. Don't put for 4 weeks for us. Okay, if you really need 6 weeks or 2 weeks, put that. Okay, it's okay, but it's a recommendation. Okay, just a recommendation to use the 4 weeks like a regular thing. Okay, but you are free and obviously you don't need to. Please don't lie, like I said before. Please, if you need more time, put that. Okay, and make sure about the information. Okay, we have a field to talk about the ready to interviews. Okay, please try to put you are ready to the interviews. Okay, because some developers they put okay, I need $1 million and this is my resume, this is the MCQs, but you don't put information about the or the correct information about you are ready to interviews. We can consider you. Okay, because you are saying in another words, I am okay with my information, but in this moment I am not ready. Okay, I need to prepare maybe my English. I don't know. Maybe I am happy in my work. I don't know, but you need to put ready. Okay, you are ready because how we can do you are searching a job because you create a account in Turing platform. Obviously not. This is the first step. The first step. Okay, so this that kind of recommendations is a good things to know. Also, obviously, when I think also I am talking about reading. Okay, we need to in this moment we know you need help or you need more information or maybe you are ready for that. Okay, we pass and we share this information with our clients and we try to help you. Okay, to receive the offer. So that's the main reasons to this to receive and a good position or receive the cost. Remember, okay, the regular things, okay, is in the platform. All this information is in the platform, but you need to update that. Okay, I can't go. If Sofia can't go, Miriam, Bruna, we can go. Okay, so you need to do obviously by yourself. Okay, that's the reason. A lot of people they say, I was in Turing, I never received an opportunity. And sometimes we say, okay, maybe we can help you. Can you share with us your information? And we when check that, he never puts or she never puts the salary. She never puts the already available for interviews. She never puts or he never puts he never update the resume. Okay, that all the information I shared before, we need that information. Okay, because we really have a good developer. Know that we have a good developers. Okay, they are they have a very good skills with that, but sometimes they forgot these details, and they believe it's a detail, it is not that important because I passed the MCQ and I passed the code challenge. But we have other developers with the same ACC, with the MCQs and in the same code challenge, but he put the salary, he puts the amounts, he puts already to the interviews, and who will receive the position? Obviously, you know, I don't have to say that. Okay, so that kind of things, okay, is very important. Now you know that you have an advantage, okay, because a lot of people they are not in the jumpstart. Okay, they never hear about the jumpstart. Okay, we hope we have more developers, but we know that. And you have in this moment an advantage for using. Okay, use that. Okay, because it's a tool. You are using 3 hours in this moment to receive this information. Okay, do it. Okay, we are sharing the information to help you, but you need to change that in your profile. Okay, we can't do it. So if you see in my screen now, you can see in each part where each part I mentioned before. Okay, keep your resume update, keep your experience update. Okay, please add your, for example, it's very important you add your expect salary. Okay, but in this moment you don't know, or you need to think, or you need to talk with your wife or your husband, I don't know, with your friends, uh, put at least $1. Okay, because if you don't put $1, it's obviously you don't want to receive $1. Last, like I said before, when I talk about the salaries and I say $1 or 1 million, I am joking. Okay, we know if you put $1, it's just put $1 because you are thinking about it. Okay, but if you don't put $1, we can consider you because we don't, we feel you are not interested about that because you don't have a current salary. Okay, you don't have an amount. Please put your at least $1. Okay, and after that, obviously, we can consider you. And finally, like always, please update your skills. Okay, keep your experience update always. Okay, maybe you have 1 year more working with React, go and update 5 to 6. Okay, or you are working now with a new technology like blockchain, for example, put that. Okay, so it's an important thing to do that because we receive more information about you, and we know if you are interested to work here in Turin. Okay, so now after that you are ready for we are use this phrase here in Turin, and we have 2 more events to help you to grow in your chances here in Turin. Okay, we have the Turin Rank Up. The Turin Rank Up is each every Tuesday. Okay, so you can go to the community platform. Maybe Sophia, I don't know if you have link, and you can go and subscribe that. And if you don't pass the code challenge, or maybe you don't pass the NCQs, we have an event with the name Turing Primer. Okay, Turing Primer is an event maybe if you need help to pass the Turing process. The rank up is after, okay? If you pass the MCQs and if you pass the code challenge, then the recommendation is go to the rank up, and you will receive a few information, more information to receive positions. Okay, so we have this both. Okay, remember, the Turing primer is every Monday, and the rank up is every Tuesday. Okay, so now we have questions and answer and Q&A, questions and answer for with Bruna. Okay, nice to see you. You can write your questions in the chat, maybe. No, maybe you can do it. And Bruna tried to answer, and here Miriam, Sophie, and me. So please share the info if you have any questions, please, and we try to solve that. So let's see. Okay.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Give me a second. Hey, Jose. Hey,
Hi.
guys. So let me start. I have a pretty interesting question here. It's from Manasvini Ganesh. So, how to decide what salary is applicable for me? I don't want to ask too low or high. So we don't have like an average or any salary that we can give a suggestion for you. So you basically decide how much your rate will be in US dollars. First of all, when you inform your actual salary and expected salary, you'll be informing in your current country current location currency. But once you are invited for the non-technical interview, you can inform the rate in US dollars. Our specialists, based on what you offer, they might recommend a rate that will bring fruitful and long-term projects. And because our main goal here in Turing is to provide our developers with a stable rate and always pay more than you would otherwise make in your local economy. So our developers, they are paid in full every last business days of the month, and you will receive your fixed billing or hourly rate according to what was mutually agreed in the work engagement agreement. So we don't deduct any taxes, and you do not pay US taxes. This is something that I wanted to clarify as well. You don't pay US taxes. The only thing that you're going to have to pay is your local taxes. So you have to include everything in your decided rate. So let's suppose we also don't offer any perks or benefits. So let's suppose I have some benefits and other things that I wanted to include. So you can base your salary on that and then talk with us. And most of times, our specialists, they will offer more. Okay, so they will suggest you to ask for more because we want to provide you a stable and fruitful payments. Okay. Let me see. There's another question. How can I know about the status of my profile? Okay, so it's Shishir. I don't know if I pronounced it right. So once you completed the coding challenge, the get matched section will be available for you. So you go there, and then it will have some steps that you will take to complete your profile, and you can see the status. If the get matched section is available, that means you passed the coding challenge. If it's not, that means you didn't pass the coding challenge and you can attempt again. Okay. See if there's any. I think, yeah, the compensation section is decided on the non-technical interview, Shishi. So once they the team reach out to you to discuss your rate, your compensation, then this section will be greened out and the rates will be reflected there as discussed in the call. Manasvini Ganesh had another question. So are we hired as consultants on the contract? No, you are hired as contractors, okay? You're an individual contractor. I see a question from David, or Davi, sorry. Davi, here in Brazil, we have different taxes depending if you are working like as an employee or like CLT, as we said, and or you're working now for a company. So you have to see which one is more fruitful for you. So let's suppose if you, of course, for a personal like the CLT, you will have more taxes than if you were like a contractor or a company. So you have to consider this as well, okay? You guys are welcome. Any more questions? Let me scroll up a bit to see if there's any other questions. No, benefits are like insurances and retirement plans, this kind of stuff, Manasmini. So leaves and holidays policies can be discussed. Once you're hired, you can discuss leaves and holidays and day offs with your manager. So you have access to a Turing workspace, and there you can try. There you can submit like if you need leaves or if you need to. You can always talk to your manager and our dev success team as well, so they can help you to have this. Let me try to see another thing that was not explained here, because today we had Miriam and Jose also provided a lot of information that most are doubts. So I think people are almost well informed. Great, Davi. You can use it, of course. Yeah, as Hugo said, it will actually also depend on, let's suppose here in Brazil, it will also depend in which state you are you live in, because each state has its own percentages of taxes and everything you have to pay if you are a company or contractor, you know. Let me see what else. You're welcome. Okay, guys, if you have any other questions, maybe in the way or after the event, you have any doubts or anything, you can always reach out to us at support@turing.com. I will leave the email here. And then you guys can reach out there and you can ask questions. And also we have the help center articles that can maybe help you as well. Let me put it here as well. Okay, Okay, then, Jose, you can come back so we can continue. I think there's no more questions for today.
Sure. Thank you so much, Verena. Nice to see you. Nice to meet you, actually.
Nice to see you too. Well, before I was just on chat, so we actually never like spoke like this before. So mainly because before you were most in Spanish events, so we had Noelia and Micaela, so I didn't
Yeah.
had too many contact. But nice to meet you
Thank,
too, and hope to see
nah,
you
thank you so
forward.
much.
Thank you, guys.
Bye bye. Well, guys, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you very much for your effort. Okay, that's very important for us. But you need to wait because I will have I need to share the information for the winners. Okay, just Sophie, let me chat a few seconds about that. Okay, where are you people? Remember, if you are not here, okay. Well. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have two Udemy subscriptions. We have the Turing Experience box. Okay, box experience. I don't remember the name. I always forgot the name. But it's a swag for Turing. Okay, that's important thing. So let me check who is the winner. The first winner. Okay, okay. We have okay. The Udemy subscription go for let's see if is there is here. Okay. Okay. The Udemy subscription, the first one go for David or David Starling. Are you there? Are you alive here? Just say something to see. If we don't receive any answer, you know, cheers. I am there. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Can you share your email with Sophia, please, David? Because you are the winner. Okay. Congratulations, David. Okay. Let's see. Now, the second Udemy subscription. Okay. The second Udemy subscriptions go for, okay, Pablo Escaida. Okay. Pablo, are you there? Are you alive? Say something. Gracias. Perfecto. Ok. En español le decimos que él es el ganador. Muchísimas felicidades, Pablo. Puedes mandarle tu correo a Sophie. Please, can you send your email to, please, in private? Thanks so much. Okay. And the most important winner. I don't know why, but the people, in all the world, they are talking about this swag. They will be crazy. Okay. They start uh, thinking about actually just thinking about this swag. But let's see who is the winner. Okay, the winner for the hoodie and mug and swag uh, from Turin is, okay, Evelyn Avila. Evelyn, are you there? Are you alive? Please say something, or we need to choose someone else. Okay. Are you there, Evelyn? Yeah, Evelyn. Perfect. Okay. We are happy for you. So let me check something, please. Thank you very much, okay, for your time. Thank you very much, okay, for your patience. We are on time. I am very good actually. Don't believe I am. I try to feel so smart, but we are exactly finish the event at the time. We need to finish that. So thank you very much for all your effort. Thank you, Evelyn. Please send your email to Sophia. And congrats for all the winners, like Anthony said. Okay, thank you very much for the event. Remember, we have two jump starts in we have jump start in Spanish, we have jump start in English, we have jump start in Portuguese. Okay, sometimes the next one you can try in your language if you want. Obviously, we don't want to say you need to leave that and you need to only try in Spanish or Portuguese. But sometimes feel comfortable talking in your language. Okay, so just if you want, we need to share this information. Okay, for all of you. Thank you for everything, Miriam, Bruna. Okay, thank you very much to 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 work with you both actually, and Sophie. Happy birthday and thank you so much for your effort too. Okay, so just confirm, Sophie, you have the emails. You have all the emails about the winners, and after that I can close that. Okay, I do. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Be care, drink water. Okay, take your vitamins and everything. See you later. Bye bye.